Radhe Radhe! So we are here in the beautiful, majestic place, eternal abode and playground of Sri Radhe! Jai Jai Sri Radhe! So we are here in Barshana. Radhe Radhe! Barshana Wali Radhe! Yes. So we are so lucky today. We have the mercy of Sri Radhika. So we are here in Barshana, the abode, the playground, the queendom of Sri Mati Radharani. Jai Jai Sri Radhe! Radhe Radhe! Okay, this is so beautiful. Look at this place. This is Barshana. One of the most beautiful place here in Braj. It's so peaceful up here in the hill. This is what you call Brahma Parbat. Yes, Brahmaji. This is the hill expansion of Sri Brahmaji. So Brahmaji, he performed tapasya. And he was granted by a boon because he wanted to witness and become part of the childhood, sweet, playful pastime of Sri Mati Radhika. Jai Jai Sri Radhe! Barshana Wali Radhe! So we are now approaching the Mor Kuti. Mor means peacock. Yes. This is the place of peacock pastime. Radhe Shyam, they have several peacock pastime. So one of the pastime of peacock dancing took place in this spot. Yes, this is the spot where Srimati Radhika and Krishna Ji, they dance like peacock. So they manifested their peacock form and they started to dance elegantly. It was so sweet. Even the peacocks were so mesmerized and they were stunned by the artistic, elegant dancing of Radhe and Shyam. So this is the place of peacock lila, the dancing of peacock, like peacock Mor. So Mor means peacock. So this is the altar, and there's another one altar inside. So this is the peacock dancing lila. See, Radha and Shyama Sundar, they are dancing like peacock. And there are so many peacocks watching them. So this is so sweet. And there's another painting here. A very beautiful painting of Radha and Krishna, depicting the pastime of Radha and Krishna, dancing like peacock. See? Radhe Radhe! Andar na, idhar. Painting wale. Chakachak! Radhe Radhe! See? So this Radha and Krishna. So when we were here last time, there was no cooler. So how can we sit there now? So Radharani, so beautiful, peacock dancing. And this is Krishna, they are dancing like peacocks. And this Babaji, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. Chaka chak. Chaka chak. Radhe Radhe. So this is the beautiful village of Barshana. So we are here on the top of the hill of Barshana. Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. Barshana Wale Radhe. Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe, Prabhuji, Chaka chak. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Okay, so I will enter inside. They don't allow camera, no phone. So I will end this video, but I will be right back later. We will have darshan of the main temple here in Barshana, Doradorani Temple. So the darshan will open after half an hour. So you stay with me here in Barshana. So you also gonna get the mercy from Sri Radhe. So this is what all we need. This is our main goal, our ultimate purpose, to serve Sri Radhika, Radhe Radhe. Huh? Radha, 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 Radha. Radhe Radhe. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Okay, I will see you later.